hindi ko alam kung bakit ganyan ang reaction nila. It's supposed to be a satire. Diba? Satirical. And what's wrong with satirical, mga ganyan na mga comments and remarks? Sila nga, they're more than doing a political satires. They're fond of and they're experts in spreading false information or fake news. Alin ang malala? Fake news o political satire? Kaya nga sinabing political satire. Ako, gusto ko independent body talaga. Wag na sa Congress. Kasi nga, ano man ang resulta ng investigasyon ng Congress ay pagdududahan Lalo na kung may mga ituturo na members of Congress. Paano? Anong gagawin ng Congress kung may mga ituturo na mga involved na mga congressmen or members of Congress? So it has to be an independent body at ang mga ideal na para sa akin pwedeng maisama dyan would be a former COA Chair or COA Commissioner Heidi Mendoza, also former DPWH Secretary Babe Singson. Kasi he knows the ins and outs of DPWH at yung mga projects na yan, DPWH. And then of course si Commissioner Heidi Mendoza as COA, he would know also the ins and outs of mga ganyan na mga paggastos, mga anomalya. And then maybe it could be headed by a former jurist, a former, whether a Supreme Court justice or anyone from the judiciary. Now may known probity, sense of independence, probity, integrity. And then itong independent body na yan can be assisted by a multi-agency or interagency